I got a new seat for my Talaria XXX. Let's unbox it. So right off you can see the packaging is not very good. It's just kind of thrown together. It's not even a complete box. And it's got a tear in it, so hopefully there's no damage. I guess it makes unboxing a lot easier. Wow, I won't even have to cut. I don't see any holes or tears in the bag, so hopefully it's, oops, it's fine. So I bought this seat, I would say about a month ago, maybe 6 weeks, from Tapia seats. I'll find out where they're located, but they're like kind of a custom upholstery shop. They make seats for Surons and now Talaria XXXs, regular Talarias and motorcycle stuff like that. See, it's a really nice seat. It's going to be a lot more comfortable than the stock seat, obviously. I think they use, I'm not sure if this is synthetic or real leather, but I'll find out and put it in the screen right here. Yeah, so let's get some close-ups of this with my phone here, and we'll go install it and then take it for a ride and check it out. But you can tell right off the back, look, see how wide this is? It's way wider than the regular Talaria seat's probably about as wide as the center part right here. A lot more width, way more cushion, so this should be a lot more comfortable. Okay, well, let's go install it and try it out, see how it feels. All right, so I think it's going to be fairly straightforward, but I'm not sure. So we need to take this entire subframe off. You're going to need basically 2 Allen wrenches, I think a 6mm and a 2mm. So first we'll have to take these 2 off here, this one, and then on the other side. We need to take this little cover off here, and then there's a bolt that goes through right here we need to take out, and then this whole seat and frame is going to come out, and then we got to remove some bolts underneath. It's going to be kind of a pain in the ass, but we'll get through it. So first we'll remove this thing here, this cover, with the 2mm Allen wrench. Easy peasy. So you can see this one's going to be more of a pain in the ass here, because if you look at it, there's a nut holding it on there. So that's not going to be easy to get it like a wrench in there, you know, when I'm unscrewing it from the other side. That's going to be kind of a pain, but we'll work it out. I might just try to hold it on with a pair of needle nose pliers or something. So let's see if I can hold it in place with this pair of needle nose here. Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, that wasn't a big deal at all, actually. All right. It's pretty straightforward, very easy. So now we got to take these subframe bolts off using the same 6mm here. Easy peasy. All right, so now the seat and subframe should just lift right off, and there's a wire connected down here. This is for the brake light, so it just comes right off. So now we have the seat and subframe removed. So you can see we've got this cover we got to take off right here. So it's just hold down with like 4 just Phillips screws and a couple nuts right there. So we'll need to figure out what size that is. And so this takes off the little plate and the reflector there, and it reveals even more. So we got, let's see, 3 here, and then we got these 2, and we've got 4 more down here. All right, so now we can take both these subframe pieces off here. The bottom one, you gotta take this wire off that connects the brake light here. So we have our subframe pieces off. They go like this. Set these aside for now. And we got our seat off, but we still need to remove this brake light back piece. So I think it's just 2 Phillips screws. You know, I don't know if I saw a place for these screws on the new seat. Oh, it looks like 1 more screw up here. So there's 3 more screws to take this piece off. And you can see right here, there's little plastic pieces for this to attach to. Did I even see that on the new seat? How am I going to attach this? Let's check that out. So there's not. So how the hell am I supposed to attach the brake light? Am I just supposed to screw it in? I guess so. Just line it up the best I can and screw it in. Okay, they do screw on fairly easily, so not a big deal. I think I got it fairly straight. All right, so it actually does, there's a plastic plate under here and it screws on and it stays pretty firm, so not a big deal. Well, so that's pretty much it as far as like getting the seat ready to get put back on. I'm just gonna put this little cover with the reflector back on, do the reverse of what I did earlier, and then we'll get her out there and go for a ride, see how she feels. So see you in just a second for you. Okay, and here we go. Let's take it for our first ride, see how it feels. I haven't ridden it yet. It's really nice to be back on the XXX. It's been a while. I've been riding this hyper scooter I got. So far, the seat feels way wider. It does feel higher, so I feel a little bit higher up than with the stock seat. So real quick, here's some better footage of the finished product here. Yeah, I can tell this is going to be a lot more comfortable. It's way wider. So for these long rides, if you're doing like 20 plus miles, this thing's going to be perfect. So I'll have a link to in the description. There's a discount code right now. I think it expires sometime in February, but if you decide to buy this before then, you get 10% off. I miss this thing. Can't wait to put the controller and battery in it though. And I'm going to go over some bumps up here and see how it feels. The installation was actually a lot easier, more straightforward than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a huge pain in the ass, but yeah, didn't really have any issues installing it. The only thing that surprised me was there wasn't any like anchor holes for the brake light, but it screws fine right into that plastic plate on the underside, so it wasn't a big deal. And it screws on there pretty tight, pretty sturdy. You don't have to worry about it. Yeah, the only caution I have for you is that it does increase the standover height. So if you're shorter, I mean, I'm 5'9", and it's still, you know, plenty fine. I can still flat-foot it, I think. But if you're a female or a shorter male, then, I don't know, it may not be the right seat for you. But for everyone else, if you got the money, I think I spent like, altogether it was like $380 with shipping and everything like that. I know that sounds like a lot of money, but, I mean, it's worth it if you're going to be riding it a lot and you want the comfort. So, guys, if you guys like my content, you appreciate videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. I'm getting so close to 1,000 subscribers and being able to fully monetize. I'm partially monetized now, so you can like join as a member and you can leave me like little tips and stuff like that. So membership, I think starting from the second tier, you get to see all my videos as I upload them. So usually I upload them early and I schedule them from when I want them to release. So, but you'll get access as soon as it's done uploading. Everyone else will have to wait until the actual scheduled date. And then I have a Discord channel now. I'll put a link in the description. I'm not really sure what to do with it or how I'm going to schedule chats and stuff like that yet, but I have it. So if you guys want to go and join, it's open to everyone. There is a members only channel for the top tier membership, but besides that, it's open to everyone. And I'm gonna get my, I think I am. They said they're gonna, company said they're gonna send me a bike to review for my channel, so it'll be my first sponsored video with a bike. I mean, I had FewMoto send me a handlebar bag a long time ago, but that's it. So this will be actually my first sponsored video. I'm pretty excited about it. So that'll be up and coming. If you haven't seen it yet, check out that hyper scooter, the Molo 5, 10,000 watt dual motor, 72 volt, 50 amp hour, claimed 70 miles an hour, but I haven't tried it yet. I got up to 55 and I get a little scared on it because it's like tiny. It's like a pocket rocket. So definitely check that out. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate everyone's positive comments and support. My channel's growing a lot lately. I think I'm getting a little better at making content. I'm a slow learner, but I'm getting there. And I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.